Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix product feed disapprovals fast in Google Merchant Center. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to quickly fix Google Merchant Center's product disapprovals, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Google Merchant Center. Now once you are here, you need to get logged in into your account. So once you have logged in into your account, first identify the specific reason for the disapproval in the Needs Attention tab. Once you make it to there, you can make the necessary corrections for your product, and you can simply do like data and website corrections, and finally resubmit your feed and request a review as well. So once you have done this, you need to ensure that your product, that data and website are consistent, and you have enabled automatic item updates as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.